Watch this video and learn how to draw a snowflake.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie.
Hello, little artist.
That's right. Thanks for joining us, little artists.
Yeah, Artie's in a very good mood.
Oh, I'm pleased you're in a good mood, Artie.
Yeah,
What do you want to do?
Artie want to drawing.
You want to do a drawing?
Yeah.
Why don't we draw a snowflake?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Go and get your markers.
Hi, kids. Did you guys bring your paper and your markers?
Okay, you've got your paper and your markers. Are you ready?
Well.
Very good. Let's start.
Wow, what an awesome day to do some art.
My goodness, yes it is.
Let's start by drawing a circle in the center just to the left. This is going to be an eye. Very good. Now let's draw another circle to the right, but let's make this one a little bit bigger. Great! Now let's draw two little black circles inside.
Okay.
One on the left and one on the right.
What are you doing after the show, Mikey?
Me and Louie are gonna go see a movie. It'll probably get a 10.
Now let's draw a big smiley mouth underneath the eyes. If Artie's drawing a bit too fast, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw a little straight line where the chin would be, and then an angled line coming down on the right, and another angled line coming down on the left. Two more lines coming down at angles, making a sort of diamond shape. An angled line coming down from the left side of the smile, and then go across off towards the left. Another short line across, and then two angled lines down to the left. This drawing has lots of angled lines. Now let's draw some little half circles to close the shapes. There's one, now two, and finally 3.
Can you tell what it is, little artists?
I can't tell.
Now we're going to try and draw exactly the same on the right side, making the drawing symmetrical.
Symmetrical.
Yes, Artie, that means it's exactly the same on the right side as it is on the left side. Don't forget the little half circles. One last half circle, and now we're symmetrical.
Yeah.
Now let's draw a little curved line left and right. This is the bottom of our snowflake's face. Two more short lines across, and then two short lines down at an angle. Don't forget the little half circle.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it.
Two more little lines with a gap in between, and then another half circle on the end. That's it, Artie. Now let's do two short lines going up at an angle, and of course another half circle on the end. and a bit more of the left side of the face.
That's right.
You want a dance break? Okay, let's stop for a little while and have a dance break.
Clap along, little artists.
He's really in time to the music.
That's what I said in the dressing room, darling. I mean, fantastico. Fantastico 10.
Great dance break, Artie. You must be exhausted. Should we carry on with the drawing and complete our snowflake? Come on then, let's get back to work. Remember that funny word?
Symmetrical.
That's right, symmetrical. Now we're going to make the right side look exactly like the left side. It looks like the snowflake's eyes are watching you draw, Artie.
Yeah.
He's peeking at you.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
Well, that's the bottom half of the drawing nearly done. Can you guess what we have to do next, little artists? That's right, we have to make the top part of the drawing look exactly the same as the bottom part. This is going to be a lot of work for Artie, but he doesn't seem to mind. He's having fun. This type of drawing takes a lot of patience and concentration. It looks like you're about 3/4 finished, Artie. Just 1/4 left and you're finished with this drawing. Our snowflake is really coming together now.
That looks so neat, Artie.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Just a few more angled lines and a few more half circles. Are you drawing along at home, little artists? Nearly done, Artie. Just one little piece missing. Can you see what it is? That's right, the last piece of our snowflake's face. It's looking pretty finished to me, Artie. Great job, Artie. That took a lot of patience, but it was worth it. The results are fantastic.
Mikey, do you think he should color it in now?
You know that's my favorite part.
You're finished? Wow, Artie, it came out so good. I love that cold blue colour you used. It's so realistic looking, it's making me feel cold. I think I'm gonna go and grab my scarf.
Have a great day, Artie.
See you soon.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you have an arty day. Bye-bye for now.